I have a suggestion for you. Why don't you plant coffee trees now? So this is applicable for people who are living within the coffee belt region. So for those who don't know what the coffee belt region is, these are in the tropical areas, um, countries in Latin America, countries in Africa, and Asia, but not all Asia. Southeast Asia primarily, and then there's India, and some parts of Eastern Asia, I guess. Okay, so why am I saying this? Even though you're not a farmer. Well, for one, if you plant, let's say, 2 or 5 coffee trees in your backyard, for example, you will have coffee in your homes for free, all organic, and you can consume your coffee straight to your home, and you'll be proud of that. Two, if you have 2 or 5 coffee trees in your home, you're able to contribute to climate change because these trees that you planted, once they are adult size, also sequester carbon dioxide. And these trees, by the way, are huge trees. Coffee trees are considered as forest trees, so they can grow very high and very wide. So that's number 2. Number 3 is you also help biodiversity. If you have 2 or 5 coffee trees in your home, you will see different kinds of birds and animals that might use your coffee trees as their home, and also use your coffee trees as protection against storms and whatever. Okay? If you are in a flood-prone area, your trees can also help you reduce flood because, as you all know, trees also helps prevent flood. Okay? So why don't you? It's not that bad to have coffee trees in your home. And I suggest you give it a try.